Hello, so today I'll be talking about how to get a special discount on Jumia on your items. Yeah, how to get a special discount on your Jumia on your items for free. Yeah, so don't forget to watch this video to the end so that you don't miss anything that I'm about to say. And at the end of this video, I'll be dropping a bonus video for you guys. Yeah, a bonus video for you guys. So yeah, so let's go. Yeah, so if you're still watching me, meaning you want to get a special discount on your Jumia orders, so I'll create an account. I already have an account, but I'll create a new account. Yeah, for this thing to show you guys that it works on every account, not only on already signing customers or maybe new customers. So let me just create a new account. So if you have if you already have an account, you can just sign in. Okay, there's no need to create a new account. Okay. Okay, so I have successfully done with the account creation. So now let's see how you will get this discount on your Jumia orders. So let me just search the item that I want. Yeah, so you just have to select the item that you want. So this is the item that I'll be doing. This is the item that I'll be buying. So let me add the item to my cart. Okay, so let me check out. So you just click on checkout. Okay, so confirm your address details. So you must confirm your address details. So that's if your account is just a new one, you have to confirm your details. But if you are an old customer, you already know how things goes. Okay, so yeah, so most of the time, the delivery method, I always advise people to choose the pickup station, because this one comes at at a cheaper price. Most of the time when you are ordering 2 or more items and you select home and office delivery, you realize your delivery fee is very, very high. So I would advise you guys to select a pickup location only if there's a pickup location at your area of residence. So the place that you'll be receiving the item, if there is a pickup location there, then select the pickup location and go for your item there. Don't be doing home delivery because that costs. So let me select the pickup location for me. Okay. So as you can see, the total price is 81 Ghana cedis. Okay, so let me check in the details very well. Okay, then let me proceed. Okay, so in here, you realize our next step is the payment method. So we have done with the address details, delivery method, and our next method is the payment method. Okay, so for this discount, you don't have to select pay on delivery. Yeah, you must select this option. That's the Airtel website. You have to select this option. You don't have to select pay cash on delivery. Yeah, and trust me, Jumia will never bring your item, so you can trust me on that. So you just have to select this first. If you want to get the discount, then select this first option. So let me select confirm order. So if you are using your phone, you'll be redirected to the payment page. Redirected to the payment page. Okay, so in here, realizing here, discount has been given. Get a discount of 16 cities. So realizing here, I'll get a discount of 16 cities. So 16 cities will be deducted from the total price if I add my credit or debit card. So you just have to select that option. Sometimes maybe yours might be mobile money. It differs. I can't remember last week mine was at mobile money and now it's at bank cards. So it depends. So maybe yours maybe mobile money. So you just have to select the one that has the discount. So for me, bank cards has a discount. So realizing here, if I do that, then I'll be paying 65 Ghana cedis. 65 Ghana cedis. So that's what you are good. That's what you do to get a special discount on your Jumia order. Get a massive special discount on your Jumia order. So realize an order of 81 Ghana cedis, I will now be paying 65 Ghana cedis. So if you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and also hit the bell icon. So for the bonus video, I'll be showing you guys for the bonus video. If you have watched this video from the start to the end, meaning you qualify for the bonus video. So for the bonus video, I will just drop the description there. I'll just drop the link in the description below on how you are going to earn money on Jumia. So as you are shopping right now, when you are shopping, Jumia can also pay you when you are shopping. So just go in the description and click on the link. So in there you'll see how you can earn something for yourself as you are shopping on Jumia Ghana. So Jumia will be paying you whilst you are shopping on their website. So goodbye, and please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and see you next time. Okay.